So we'll start with the minutes of the Taupo District Council meeting that we held out at Mangakino on Tuesday the 26th of April. These are confirmed minutes. These are the confirmation. So any amendments to the minutes before I call for a mover? They're going through the pink pages to 3/11 from 3/1. Any amendments as to accuracy, etc., etc.? There being none, I ask for a mover, please. Move, Councillor Kirk. Second, Councillor Crate. All in favour?
Aye.
Carried. Any matters arising, discussion thereof? Being none, thank you. Moving now to the minutes of the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board. These are unconfirmed minutes, so can I have a mover, please, to receive? Councillor Kipper. Seconded, Councillor Henderson. All those in favour. That's going through to 4/... No, we do those separate. 4/8. Is there any discussion before I go to the vote on these minutes? None. All in favour?
Aye.
Any matters arising? Any further discussion? Being none, move to the, you were handed out these special purpose ordinary minutes of the TT Board, again, unconfirmed. Copy table should be on your desks. It's a 2-page one from a small meeting that the board had. Can I have a mover for the receipt? Move, Councillor Kepper. Second, Councillor Johnson. Is there any discussion before I put this matter to the vote? All in favour? Carried. Okay. Item number 5 is Rugby World Cup 2011 committee meeting. Committee minutes. I think these actually have been confirmed. It says they haven't, but I have, because I was there. Before I go, Councillor Downer, would you like to comment on these minutes at all?
No, because I wasn't there.
Yes, you were on the 28th of April?
No, I missed two. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, you weren't here, so is there any question or discussion on these minutes before I ask for a mover or a seconder? 5 through to 5/6, Rugby World Cup. As to clarification, amendments, accuracy. Okay. Being nothing, can I have a mover, please? I'll move. Second, Councillor Crate. We were there. All in favour?
Aye.
Mangakino Pouakani Representative Group, unconfirmed. Miss Jakes. Miss Jakes is here? Yeah. Would you like to comment on these at all? Or Miss Truman? It says Miss Jakes here.
Yep, so there's 2 recommendations, number 6 and number 7.
What page you on?
Sorry, 6/5 and 6/6. Just to bring your attention to the fact that there's 2 recommendations.
Right, yep. So it's recommendation 6 and 6/6 over the page. One recommendation. Anything else wish to comment on those minutes? Nothing? The mover, please. Mover.
I'll move it. I was there.
Okay. Councillor Craig.
You did move it.
Second, somebody over here, Councillor Truman.
Yep.
All those in favour?
Aye.
Agenda item number 7. Emergency Management Committee meeting, which are still unconfirmed. Anyone wish to comment on these minutes at all? Nobody? Okay. We have a mover, please.
Yeah, I'll move.
Councillor Downard, seconder. Councillor Kirk, all those in favour?
Aye.
Anyone have any questions at all as to the minutes? Okay, moving straight away, that's the minutes out of the way. Electrical maintenance of water and wastewater treatment plants and pumping stations. Mr. Lewis, if you wish to comment on the report, please.
Take it as being read, Your Worship.
Okay, so that's a 2-page report here with the suggested resolution on the back of the page. So anybody like any clarity as to this tender? So you've read the resolution. I'm sorry, Councillor Hickling.
So in the suggested resolution item 2, it would appear that we will have to increase the budget by 40,000. So would that be part of our annual plan process?
Would have to be, wouldn't it?
Yes. So that's a start for increasing our rate take.
We will see what the net effect of all the pluses and minuses are
Okay.
as a result of
We've got to
deliberations.
start there
But
anyway.
in this particular case, what we had budgeted was insufficient for the contracts, so hence we've tied that all into the same resolution, i.e. the increase in their budget, so it becomes all approved expenditure.
Okay. Anything further on that? Councillor Kirk?
Just as a new councillor, the preferred tenderer had the contract beforehand, and the new tender's somewhat quite a lot bigger than what they've had, because you would think that the engineer's approximate would be based on past contract amounts. I just wondered why the tender was so much different.
Mr Lewis should probably best answer that.
Sorry,
$40,000 in a $500,000 contract is not really significant. It's about 10%. The engineer's estimate is based on the previous year's contract, bearing in mind that the previous year's contract was already 2 or 3 years old.
So, yeah, within 2 years, it's $78,000 difference.
Yeah, I'm talking on an annualised basis.
Well, really well put by the CEO, but a tender is a reflection of the market value, and that's as simple as that, and that's the tender we got. An engineer's estimate is just an engineer's estimate, but I must go on to say that in the last couple of years, this is one of the few times that an engineer's estimate hasn't been more rather than less in a lot of contracts that we have issued.
First one.
I'm sorry?
It's the first one.
It is the first one, isn't it, when I think about it? However, it's a reflection of the market, because that was what the tender went out and did. So there is a suggested resolution here, and Councillor Hickling is correct. Our OPEX budget will have to be increased by 40,000, but it may be unders and overs where some are reduced. So that net effect we will find out in due course.
Next week.
So there's a suggested resolution there, 1 and 2. Is anybody like to move it jointly? Councillor Williams, move. Second, Councillor Downard, all in favour?
Aye.
Carried, thank you.